Welcome again to the third and final part of our lesson today. Now here we're going to see how we're reading volumes. We have two tubes here, tube A and tube B. Tube A is measuring in milliliters, while tube B measures in liters. Now let us see tube A. The difference between each of the numbers we have on tube A is 100. Do you notice that? It's moving from 100 to 200 to 300. So the difference is 100. Then please note that the whole numbers are in milliliters. That means we have 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 300 milliliters, up to 1000. And what is 1000 milliliters? It's the same thing as 1 liter. 1000 milliliters is the same thing as 1 liter. So if this first tube is filled to capacity, we can say the water, if it is full to the brim, to where you have 1000, we can say what we have in this first tube is 1 liter. Okay? Or we say it is 1000 milliliters. Now, the lines in between two numbers, that's the lines in between 100 and 200, 200 and 300, each of those small lines you see, they represent 10 milliliters each. So, let us try to read the measurement that we have on tube A. Tube A has gone past 400, but it's not up to 500 yet. So, how are we going to read the measurements? All right, just a moment. For tube B, on tube B, it is reading in liters. And don't forget that the whole numbers are in liters, and then the lines in between represent 1 liter each. So in case the measurement falls in between two numbers, it means you'll be counting additional 1 liter. Okay? Now, let's now read the measurements on tube A between 400 and 500, and it is on the second line, so it is 420 milliliters. Remember that each of those lines in between represents 10 milliliter each. So that means if it is on the second line, it is 20 milliliters. Plus 400 milliliters, that's 420. Then tube B, it's in between 50 and 60, all right? And it is on the third line. So each line represents 1 liter. Remember, each of those small lines, since it is on the third line, then that's 3 liters. And since it has gone past 50, we have 53 liters. Now here are our questions, okay? Now please, I'll give you instructions on how to answer the questions. For question 1, just write question 1, A. Oh no, you write question 1, convert the following units. Then A, you write 2005 meter equal to, then write your answer in kilometers. Then you go to B, 15 kilogram equal to, then you write your answer also in grams. C, 820 centimeter equal to, you write your answer also in meters. That's how you're going to answer all 10 questions in question 1. Please note, your answers must be very neat. Your work has to be very neat. If you write something wrong, and don't cross it out and write another thing on it. Erase and then write the correct answer. If you cancel out and I cannot see what you have written, I will mark it wrong. So make sure that you erase and your work is very neat. Now to answer question 2, you have to choose the best unit for each of the objects. All right? At this point, don't draw. Just write question 2. A, can of soda equal to, then you write the answer. B, insect equal to, you write the answer. C, pencil equal to. Now what I want you to do here is just write the units you will use to measure. Are you going to measure pencil with kilometer, or you will measure pencil with grams? Whatever you're supposed to measure with from what I have taught you, then you write the answer. Gallon of water, what unit are you going to use to measure that? So write your answers neatly. So you write D, gallon of water, equal to, you write the unit. Okay, so you don't have to draw. That's how to answer question 2. At this point, you may need to pause the video, finish this part before you go to the next one, because we have 3. This is the first part. So at this point, you can pause the video after I have given the instructions. Okay, pause the video before you go to the next. So I think you can pause the video now and finish this part. Now this is question 3. All you need to do here is write question 3, A, first line. That's how you're going to answer, first line. Then you write your answer. How many centimeters? Or if it cannot be measured, you write the answer. Then B, you write line 2. Write your answer also. Then C, you write line C. Then you write your answer as well. For D, you write pencil, and then you write your answer, how many millimeters or centimeters it is measuring. And finally, for the insect, you also write your answer. You write insect equal to, then you write the answer. Okay, for again, line 1 equal to, write the answer. Line 2 equal to, write the answer. Line C equal to, write the answer. Pencil equal to, write the answer. And insect equal to, write the answer. So at this point, you can also pause the video so you can finish up this part, because there's one more part. And finally, here you have to write the measurements that you can see. So check the scale and write your answer in kilograms only. In kilograms only. Okay, so don't write 1 gram 5 kilograms. No, that means all your answer must be in something points. Okay, so write your answer in kilograms only. Something point something kilograms. Okay, in kilograms only. So here what you do is question 4 now. Question 4, A, write the answer in kilograms. B, write the answer in kilograms. C, write the answer in kilograms. And D, don't forget, it must be very neat. Then E, we also have the tubes. So you write your answer for E and you write your answer for F as well. After you have done this, okay, this is the last part. Also, you need to pause the video after the instructions are given so that you can complete this part. Please send me a picture of your answers on Class Dojo. All right, so you can go ahead and pause the video so you can finish this part now before you go to the conclusion part. So thank you so very much, students. Again, don't forget to take a picture of your answers today immediately after the lesson, after you complete the test, and send the answers to me as a picture on Class Dojo. Send it as a message. All right, so I wish you all the best. So we have another lesson again. Take care of yourselves and have a good day. Bye.